Do you need motivations to clean? Try these steps. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Truth be told, it is easy to soil your living environment, but it is challenging to clean up after yourself. However hard you try and with whatever means you employ, cleaning could be such a bore, and you might need a lot of motivation when there is so much to clean but so little energy and so little motivation. We have selected about 7 tips, which we hope will spur you to action, motivate you, and make cleaning extremely fun for you. Check them out. Get bright and exciting equipment. There is a reason why cleaning is so boring. It is because cleaning can be so monotonous and the equipment you use is dull and uninteresting, but there is a way to use that to your advantage. Who says mop sticks should be boring and uninspiring? Who says you cannot make your broomstick as cool as the one Harry Potter rides on, and what is stopping you from having a mobile and flashy mop bucket or cleaning mitten? To make your cleaning fun, get yourself some bright-colored cleaning equipment. They might have the image of Superman or any of the superhero characters on it. Well, if it makes you motivated, who cares? Get music involved. There is a reason why cleaners always have their ears plugged with earphones while they move around the building doing their jobs. Cleaners have discovered the role music plays in making arduous and dolorous cleaning work seem easy and seamless. You should try cleaning with music on the stereo or with your ears plugged. You will discover that there is so much music can do to motivate you. Try playing something you love. You could make it loud, and you will not regret it. Get the kids to join you. Cleaning is fun when it is done with the kids. We know many will disapprove of this, but you can try it out using this method. Get the kids to pick up things lying around or litter is strewn on the ground, and you can motivate them with treats and rewards. As soon as they are done, you will find out that the task left for you to do is not as strenuous as before. All you have to do is finish up, and they can also clean up anything you missed. You should try this. Get a timer. Timers are not only good for jogging exercises and baking. They are also perfect for cleaning if you know how to use them. Start by segmenting the house cleaning into segments and allot time to each task and then get cleaning. Not only will this make you clean faster, but you will also be motivated to finish, mainly if you include a treat in the package. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Get on the phone with a friend. Do you know how much ground you can cover talking to a friend and using the vacuum cleaner or doing the dishes? Cleaning can get extremely easy if you are on the phone with a friend or a relative sharing some juicy gossip or talking about the last episode of Britain's Got Talent. You will get so much done in so little time, especially if you are armed with your earpiece. Give yourself moments of break. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. All cleaning with no break in between makes cleaning dull and tiring, and this is a mistake a lot of people make, especially when they have a lot of cleaning to do. There is no wrong in going for a coffee break or sitting on the couch, stretching your legs and catching up on your favorite soap opera. Don't get too comfortable and sleep off. Get your Fitbit out and turn the cleaning to a game. There is so much to lose when you are cleaning, and I'm not talking about dust and dirt. I am talking about weight and excess calories. Climbing up the stairs, lifting objects, bending, kneeling are all activities that can help shed weight the same way workout does. If you need any other motivation, grab your Fitbit and other wearable tech devices you have and watch your weight plummet. Start adopting these cleaning tips and strategies for you and your household to not just be motivated to clean but also to build stronger relationships and bonding with one another, and to maintain the cleanliness of your home as well. Watch our other cleaning videos below and follow these 5 steps to clean your mattress. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.